Did you know that simply eating certain fruits can do more than nourish your body? It can also brighten your mood and supercharge your immune system. While we all recognize that fruits are healthy, science is constantly uncovering new ways these colorful gifts from nature can transform our well-being. For example, some fruits contain compounds that help our brains release feel-good hormones, acting as natural mood boosters, while others are packed with antioxidants that help defend against illness and aging. It's discoveries like these that are changing the way we think about our daily diet, inviting us to harness the power of what many nutritionists call miracle fruits. So, what exactly are miracle fruits, and why should you be excited about them? Miracle fruits aren't a single species, but a diverse group of fruits celebrated for their exceptional health benefits. These are the kinds of fruits that go above and beyond filling your plate with color. They support your immune system, aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, and even improve your mental clarity. Making these fruits part of your daily life is one of the simplest and most powerful wellness moves you can make. In our fast-paced world, stress, fatigue, and poor nutrition have become common struggles. Modern lifestyles often mean long hours glued to screens, high demands at work or school, and little time left for self-care. This can leave us feeling drained, run down, and far from our healthiest selves. Many people turn to processed foods and quick fixes, but the real solution might be hiding in your fruit bowl. Natural, nutrient-rich miracle fruits are a delicious way to nourish your body and mind, providing targeted support where you need it most. Let's explore some of these miracle fruits and discover exactly how they can help us tackle everyday wellness challenges. First on our list is the blueberry, often nicknamed the brain berry. Blueberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Several studies have shown that regular blueberry consumption can boost memory and cognitive function. Besides supporting your mind, blueberries are low in calories, high in vitamin C, and packed full of fiber, making them a smart choice for heart health and digestion. Add them to your breakfast oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or even toss a handful onto a salad for a sweet, nutritious twist. Next up, the kiwi, a tiny green fruit with some big health perks. Kiwi is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for immune defense, skin health, and wound healing. It also contains natural enzymes that aid with digestion and can help reduce feelings of bloating. What's more, kiwi is rich in serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. By enjoying kiwi as an afternoon snack or dessert, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're helping your body recover from stress, fight off sickness, and prepare for restful sleep. Another miraculous option is the pomegranate, an ancient fruit revered for its jewel-like seeds and sweet tart juice. Pomegranates are known for their exceptionally high levels of polyphenols, which can help lower inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Research suggests that drinking pomegranate juice may help lower blood pressure, enhance heart health, and even improve athletic performance by increasing your body's ability to deliver oxygen-rich blood to muscles. A sprinkle of pomegranate seeds can elevate any dish, from salads to yogurt bowls, and a daily glass of its juice is a refreshing way to ramp up your antioxidant intake. Let's not forget about avocados. Technically a fruit, avocados are a treasure trove of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. They're also high in potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure and contain more fiber than most other fruits. Avocados are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them sliced on toast, blended into smoothies for added creaminess, or mashed into homemade guacamole. One fruit that deserves more attention is the tart cherry. Tart cherries are rich in melatonin, a hormone that plays a key role in regulating sleep cycles. Studies show that consuming tart cherry juice can help improve sleep quality and duration, especially important for anyone feeling run down by the pressures of daily life. Tart cherries are also packed with anthocyanins, which are potent anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after exercise. Now, it's time to spotlight a real hidden gem in the world of miracle fruits, the camu camu berry. While it may not be a household name, this Amazonian fruit boasts the highest concentration of natural vitamin C found in any food, up to 60 times more than an orange. Just 1 teaspoon of camu camu powder can deliver your daily vitamin C needs, fortifying your immune system like nothing else. Camu camu also contains a unique blend of amino acids and phytochemicals that work together to fight inflammation, support mental clarity, and boost energy levels. You'll most often find camu camu as a powder, which can be easily mixed into juices, smoothies, or even sprinkled over yogurt for a sharp, tangy kick. Let's recap the incredible benefits these powerhouse fruits deliver. Blueberries sharpen your memory and protect your brain. Kiwi revs up your immune system and helps you sleep soundly. Pomegranates deliver heart health and athletic performance in every glistening seed. Avocados provide healthy fats for your heart, brain, and skin, along with plenty of fiber and potassium. Tart cherries enhance your sleep and speed muscle recovery. And finally, the camu camu berry raises your immunity to new heights with its astounding vitamin C content. The best part? Adding these miracle fruits to your wellness routine is incredibly simple. Start your day with a handful of blueberries or slice of kiwi. Toss pomegranate seeds into your lunch salad. Enjoy avocado with any meal. Sip on tart cherry juice after a workout, or sprinkle camu camu powder into your afternoon smoothie. Your body will thank you, and you'll notice the difference in your energy, your mood, and your overall vitality. If you're excited to learn more about natural ways to boost your health and discover even more miracle foods, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Your wellness journey can be delicious, simple, and rewarding, one miracle fruit at a time.